everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just hope that you find this video in the best of your health physically and mentally. I know lockdown chal raha hai and a lot of us are getting married and we really want to look our best but we can't go out and get our makeup done. So today I'm going to help you guys कि आप कैसे अपना makeup घर पे कर सकते हो. This is the look that I created. You can obviously go ahead, change the eye color, lip color according to your choice. ये look मैंने सब affordable makeup products से create करी है. Even if आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा makeup नहीं है, you can still create this look and you would look really pretty. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So I have brought you all a little more closer ताकि आपको अच्छे से दिखे कि मैं क्या क्या अप्लाई कर रही हूँ और वो कैसा दिख रहा है अप्लाई होकर. So the first step is using a moisturizer. In case you have dry skin, use the Biotique Bio Morning Nectar. This is the perfect moisturizer under makeup. And in case you have oily skin, then use the Body Shop Vitamin C Moisturizer or any gel moisturizer that you have. Please do not use a very heavy moisturizer in case you have oily skin because obviously you are going to wear your makeup for the whole day and it's hot, so you don't really want your makeup to melt. Just make sure that you're prepping your skin really well before you start with your makeup. So I have applied a lot of moisturizer and now step 2 is to use an under eye cream. Under eye creams obviously बहुत ज़्यादा important है because you are going to wear so much of concealer, baking and everything. So you don't really want your eyes to crease और आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छे से blend हो जाएगा. I'm going to take my jade roller and just massage my face really well ताकि जितना भी मेरा फेस puffy हो रखा हो वो सब ठीक हो जाए in case you didn't have a really good night's sleep. Just remember कि आपको अपना स्किन केयर बहुत अच्छे से करना है before you start with your makeup so that your makeup glides on really well and it sticks to your face for the entire day. And now once our skin is fully prepped, let's start with our makeup. So for primer, I would highly recommend the Benefit Professional Primer. I know this primer is an investment but ये बहुत अच्छा है. ये आपके पूरे pores को अच्छे से blur कर देगा. In case you are low on budget, then you can go for the Inside Primer. ये 240 rupees का है and this is an amazing primer. This is really close to the Nykaa Prep Me Up and the Color Bar Primer. Using the Inside Primer. Now once we are done with the primer, we need to bring back that shine and that glow on our face so that we look like a queen on our D-Day. So for that I would recommend the MAC Strobe Cream. ये एक liquid highlighter है. अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है तो आप कोई भी liquid highlighter use कर सकते हो, whatever you have. बहुत थोड़ा सा use कर रही हूँ मैं. Can you see the glow? You can even mix this in your foundation if you want. Now the first step is to hide all the darkness on our face. जैसे मेरे under eyes हैं, यहाँ पे थोड़े से marks हैं. मैं एक dark color का concealer use कर रही हूँ जो मेरी skin tone से हल्का सा dark है. Dark concealer ना हो तो आप अपनी कोई भी dark foundation use कर सकते हैं या फिर आप एक orange color corrector भी use कर सकते हैं. And I'm just going to blend it with my fingers only. प्लीज़ आप इस स्टेप को स्किप मत करना बिकॉज वरना आपका मेकअप ग्रे दिखने लग जाएगा. ऑफन ऐसा होता है कि हमारा मेकअप ग्रे दिखने लगता है, तो प्लीज़. And now once our dark circles are fully covered, we are going to move on to our foundation. So now for foundation, I'm going to give you guys two options. The first one is the Estee Lauder foundation. This is the perfect foundation. ये पूरा दिन stay करेगी, skin like feel देगी. This is the best foundation. But in case you want something that is budget friendly, then you can go for the K by Katrina foundation. This is the best foundation. This is going to blend out like a dream और जो आपको इतनी अच्छी coverage देगी. So these are the two options. I am going to use the K by Katrina foundation and show you guys how it looks. ये मेरी कलर बार का ब्यूटी ब्लेंडर यूज़ कर रही हूँ अपनी फाउंडेशन के लिए. आई एम गोइंग टू डिप माई ब्लेंडर एंड मैं यहाँ से अपनी फाउंडेशन को अप्लाई करना स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ. प्लीज़ मेक श्योर कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा लाइट फाउंडेशन मत लगाओ बिकॉज यूजुअली पिक्चर्स फ्लैश में ली जाती हैं एंड लाइट फाउंडेशन से आपका फेस बहुत ज़्यादा स्कैरी लगने लग जाएगा पिक्चर्स में. and make sure that you're blending your foundation really well because pictures में सब कुछ दिख जाता है. Our foundation is fully blended. You can see कितना easily ये foundation blend हो गई है. प्लीज़ ड्रैग योर फाउंडेशन टिल योर नेक अगर आपका डीप नेक है तो, एंड अपनी बैक पर भी फाउंडेशन लगवाना. वो कंसीलर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द मेबेलिन फिट मी कंसीलर. ऑब्वियसली आपके पास जो भी कंसीलर है आपको यूज़ कर सकते हो. आप स्विस ब्यूटी का कंसीलर भी यूज़ कर सकते हो, वो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. बट प्लीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट मत लगाना बिकॉज आपका फेस बहुत ज़्यादा केकी दिखने लगेगा. I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal. आप कोई भी कंटोर स्टिक यूज़ कर सकते हो, पाउडर कंटोर्स यूज़ कर सकते हो, बट आई ऑनेस्टली फील कि अगर आपका वेडिंग जैसा बिग डे है तो आप क्रीम कंटोर करो. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा कम प्रोडक्ट लगा रही हूँ. हमेशा अपने कंटोर को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में ब्लेंड करें, कभी भी डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन में अपने कंटोर को ब्लेंड मत करना. अपनी कंटोर को अच्छे से अपनी हेयर लाइन में पुश कर दें. एंड नाउ इट्स टाइम फॉर द ब्लश. मैं आपको पाउडर ब्लश बिल्कुल भी रेकमेंड नहीं करूँगी बिकॉज पाउडर ब्लशेस यूजुअली स्टे नहीं करते हैं. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू टू यूज़ अ क्रीम ब्लश. जो आप अपनी लिपस्टिक यूज़ कर रहे हो उसी को यूज़ कर सकते हो. आई एम यूजिंग दिस O2 ब्लश. कैन यू सी हाउ प्रिटी द कलर है. हमेशा ब्लश को अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगाएं ताकि आपका फेस भी एक अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में लगे. The blush would look like a lot right now, but ये थोड़ी देर में अपने आप settle down हो जाएगा as we complete the rest of the. Now I'm going to set my face and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. आप K Beauty का लूज पाउडर भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. दे बोथ आर परफेक्ट बट आई एम गोइंग टू यूज़ द फिट मी वन टुडे. प्लीज़ अपने कंसीलर्स को कॉम्पैक्ट से मत सेट करना. यूज़ अ गुड लूज पाउडर बिकॉज इट इज़ गोइंग टू मेक श्योर कि आपका कंसीलर पूरा दिन बिल्कुल भी मूव ना हो. कैन यू सी द अमाउंट ऑफ डिफरेंस दैट अ गुड लूज पाउडर क्रिएट्स. चाहो तो आप बेक भी कर सकते हो. बेकिंग बेसिकली मीन्स कि आप लूज पाउडर को लगा कर छोड़ देते हो थोड़ी देर के लिए एंड देन यू रिमूव इट. वो भी कर सकते हो. उससे एक्सेस ऑयल अंडर आइज से उठ जाता है बट आई एम नॉट बेकिंग. फॉर आईब्रोज आई एम यूजिंग द वेट एंड वाइल्ड आईब्रो किट. अगर आपके पास ये नहीं है तो आप एक आईब्रो पेंसिल भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट फिलिंग योर आईब्रोज द राइट वे. Now once we are done with our brows, let's move on to our eyes. And for my eyes, I'm going to use the Revolution Pretty Palette in case you are going to get married. This is something that you should definitely have. This has all the browns, the pinks, pigments, neutrals, everything. का आई मेकअप आपके वेडिंग डे पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा लगे तो ब्लेंड करने में अपने आई मेकअप को बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम देना. Don't be in a rush, just blend things. And I'm using this shade right here. डार्क शेड्स मत यूज़ करना बिकॉज उसको ब्लेंड करना बहुत डिफ़िकल्ट हो जाता है. And now once you can see two colors have blended really nicely, I'm going to use the third color, these two shades. So tell me in the comments you guys, why are you getting married in the lockdown? Like I have heard once you have kept the date you can't really change it. Is it true, or are you getting married in the lockdown by choice? Now once you can see that the three colors have blended really nicely, we are going to add third shade now. Take this shade right here all over my face. And now once all of this is done, we are going to use a black eyeliner. Now once my eyeliner is totally dried down and I have applied a glitter glue, so you can see that my eyes are a little tacky now. I am going to use this My Glam Lit Lip and Eye Sparkle. This is a very pretty pink shade. I'm just going to place it in the middle of my eye. Now once we are done with all of this, let's add our lashes. Now for lashes, I have two options for you guys. First one is the Swiss Beauty eyelashes. This is the 3D Studio Effect lashes, and these are in the shade Vamp. Or I also have the red cherry lashes here. My most favorite lashes are the PAC M72, but unfortunately they are not available with me right now. So I'm going to use the red cherry lashes. I'm just going to apply lashes and be right. I am back and my lashes are on. Can you see the amount of difference that your lashes can create? But obviously lashes लगा के आधे से ज़्यादा आई मेकअप छुप जाता है. Now we are going to move on to the under eye. I'm going to use my Nykaa काजल. आप कोई भी काजल यूज़ कर सकते हो. अगर आपकी आईज वाटरी हैं, you can go for waterproof kajals. I highly recommend the Maybelline gel eyeliner as a kajal. I am going to leave the link for it as well in the description box below. But please make sure that you're using a waterproof kajal. Take a very flat brush and take a pink shadow from here, and I'm going to smudge this out. Like now the eye looks complete. I am surely going to add some mascara on my waterline. Some mascara, but it is waterproof again. That I have used is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara, the best waterproof mascara you can now get. For lips, I would highly recommend you guys कि आप एक बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रांसफर प्रूफ लिपस्टिक यूज़ करो जो बहुत टाइम तक स्टे करे, because obviously you are going to eat a lot of things. We are wearing masks right now, so you really need a lipstick that is going to stay. This is how the lipstick looks on my hand, and I'm just going to apply it and show it to you guys. And the lipstick has settled down completely matte, and look how pretty the shade looks. You can add a gloss if you want on top, but I'm not going to add any gloss on top. Now let's move on to the highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild highlighter. This is in the shade Precious Petals. Eyeshadow brush and take the highlighter and apply the highlighter on my inner corners. Can you see how pretty this eye looks after the highlighter? How pretty is this highlighter, you guys? And with that, our makeup is complete. It looks flawless, beautiful, and whatnot. You can change the lipstick if you want with your outfits, or you can change the glitter, the under eyes. You can make the changes. Basically, the base is what matters the most. And now I'm just going to change and be right back. So tip number 1 is to keep your eyelash glue and your lipstick handy, because obviously your eyelash twist can irritate you and you can smudge your lipstick while eating. So make sure that you keep both the things handy. Tip number 2 would be to make sure that you have a lot of time in your hand when you are doing your own makeup, because things are going to go wrong. You are doing your own makeup, you are under a lot of stress. So it's okay, take your time. Even if something goes wrong, rub it, make sure you do it again. Make sure you are happy with your outcome. Even if you are 5 minutes late, make sure you are happy, because in case you are not happy with the outcome, it is going to spoil your whole day. Tip number 3 would be, if you are low on budget, so make sure that you buy the makeup products, because if you are going ahead and buying your makeup for 20,000 rupees, you are investing that. You are going to use it for a long term of time. You are going to use it for about 1 year, and the makeup artist is just going to take your 10,000 rupees and go. So yeah guys, that's it about the video. I hope you all liked the video. In case you did, don't forget to comment down below, like the video, share it with someone who would find this helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In case you guys want to see more such videos, don't forget to comment down below and let me know.